Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Moonseye Tome in Deep Woken. This mystic relic is incredibly valuable for character progression, offering a significant boost to your knowledge. On its very first use, it grants you 99 knowledge, and then 20 knowledge for every use thereafter. Learning the fastest methods to acquire this rare item will greatly accelerate your journey in the game. When seeking the Moonseye Tome, focus your efforts on the most rewarding locations. The Diluvian stands out as the top choice, particularly by clearing waves 25 or 50. Hell mode is another excellent option, providing a strong chance for this relic alongside other valuable items. Additionally, consider exploring the Crypt of the Unbroken and Moon's Eyrie for potential drops. To maximize your chances in the Diluvian, concentrate on efficiently clearing waves 11 through 25. Many players find that reaching wave 25 is the sweet spot for loot, and with an optimized build, you can complete this segment in about 4 minutes. Ensure your character build allows you to comfortably solo these waves, as consistent, quick runs are key to fast acquisition. To further boost your chances, always look out for double chest weekends, as these events drastically increase your relic drop rates. While bosses such as Duke and Chaser can drop the Moonseye Tome, their individual drop rates are generally much lower. For the most efficient farming, consistently prioritize Diluvian runs and Hell mode over repeatedly engaging less rewarding bosses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.